left, so we'll play a tiebreaker round with our audience only. So first question for the audience is not for the teams. Identify anyone from the audience. Even teams can answer, but not as a part of quiz, as a part of audience. Mr. Zahir has raised his hand. He'll answer.
Sir, cytocentrifuge.
Please say louder.
Cytocentrifuge machinery funnel.
What's the other name of this funnel? Any idea? Okay, centrifuge, cytospin centrifuge funnel is the correct answer. Mr. Zahir has earned a chocolate for himself. He is a cytology technician, so it was expected from him. So the next question. Identify the mandibular tumor. Anyone from our senior resident who wants to answer? From our senior resident who wants, Dr. Palvi wants to attempt.
Sir, adenocarcinoma?
No, it's not adenocarcinoma. Something else. Huh? Please say louder. It's ameloblastoma. हाँ ठीक है
इसका मैम को चॉकलेट दो। गड़बड़ हो जाएगा मैम, गड़बड़ हो जाती है थोड़ी।
Please no prompting, raise your hands, we'll come to you. Dr. Bharti wants to answer. Yes, it's November. So Dr. Bharti has also earned a chocolate for herself. She can always donate this chocolate to someone, as she always. I think I can keep it. Okay, so the next question is, identify the hematological disorder based on this flow cytometric pattern. Who wants to answer? No, Yash won't get another chocolate. He can still answer if he wants to.
Paroxysmal
Acha, Dr. Vanshika? Yes, it's PNH. Dr. Vanshika has earned a chocolate.
सपना मैम को भी दे दो। वो बोला।
So there were 3 more questions we had kept for the tiebreaker round in case they. बाकी 3 questions. Okay, we had kept them after blank PPT so that no one can see those questions. So the translocation associated with this leukemia is anyone from second year PG, second year resident. No, we cannot be biased. Anyone from second year resident? Second year? No one from second year?
Sai sir. Sai sir.
Yes. One. Our first year resident is answering. She deserves a chocolate. Yes, Dr. Noor. It's PML Rara, our translocation 1517. It's a promyelocytic leukemia. Loss of which protein is characteristically seen in lobular carcinoma of breast? Yes. Okay.
E-cadherin.
Yes, E-cadherin. 1 chocolate for Dr. Aditya. Okay. So the final question for one last chocolate is. हम भी ले लेंगे. Okay, so the last question is, which extra layer of epidermis is seen in palms and soles? Doctor? No, Dr. Aditya cannot answer. Anyone from our male PGs? Okay, anyone from our faculty now? From our faculty? Yes, Dr. Akhtar. I said it right. Akhtar ma'am deserves the chocolate. So with this we come to the end of this quiz. I hope you all enjoyed this quiz. Any errors and omissions are regretted and omitted also. We have worked hard for this quiz. We tried to keep the level of this quiz so that all can participate, all can answer. Most of the pictures were taken either from Ackerman or Robbins only, so that it should not be a tough one for the candidate. Thank you. Yes. We would like to announce the name of the winners. I would like to call upon stage Dr. Jyotsna ma'am. And Dr. Kaul sir. They are also going to participate in the APCON quiz, the zonal round, to be held at, I don't know. And they will represent our institute, zone state level. Okay. So, any guesses for runners up? Team? It's team B, AIMS Vijaypur. A big round of applause for the team AIMS, especially when both of them are from. Third is team Escoms Jammu. They have scored 50 points. A big round of applause for team A. And team B has scored 10 points, but their participation matters. They have just joined pathology. They are only 1 month old pathoneophytes. So they have competed.
Sunday.